Hey, don't move close, please. We were able to avoid the situation that if it had happened in court today, it would have been a deviation from Section 36 of the Constitution, which guaranteed every Nigerian the right to fair trial. The prosecution was forcing a situation on the court today that trial should continue or should proceed today. But our position was this, which comports with the law, that we have not had any opportunity. We have made this very clear. It is not about having access to our client. We do have access, but our access is monitored, hampered to the point that we are unable to discuss with him within that zone of confidentiality that is guaranteed between a lawyer and his client, and that enhances the defense we shall prepare to properly defend him against charges that carry the death penalty. So our position comports with the law, with Section 36 of the Constitution, that unless fair hearing can be guaranteed, no Nigerian can be subjected to any trial. You can check it out. We are not making it up.
So painful that since 9 weeks going on to 10 months, that we're still on the issue of giving him right to fair hearing. And I must salute the courage displayed by his lawyers in court today, because you wanted to force them into hearing and say you're going to rule on the issue of right to fair hearing. So when you rule on that, what happens to the trial that you have commenced? So it's very painful, and I say this is very unfair. And at this juncture, I will continue to call on the president to exercise his constitutional power and then issue an order through the Attorney General, so that we can bring this thing to an end and open the door for reconciliation and peace within this article.
Thank you very much.